Hi, I'm Aarti and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm really excited to share with you the Gift of Beauty Bliss by Sculpted by Aimee for this holiday season. As you can see, it comes in this gorgeous beauty bag. Let's have a look what's inside. So we've got the Sculpted by Aimee Beauty Base. This is an all-in-one moisturizer and primer, and I absolutely love using this. And we have the MyMascara, which I know is loved by so many people. And finally, the Cream Luxe Blush in Pink Supreme. The Beauty Base Protect is an all-in-one moisturizer and primer. I absolutely love this. It's so glowy, it gives the best makeup prep for your skin, and there's some really good hacks that I can show you too. I've already prepped my base with this look, but as you can see, it's a beautiful hydrating base, and once it's melted into the skin, it will leave your skin looking glowy and radiant, perfect for this festive season. Now, a hack that I love doing is getting a little bit and putting it on the collarbone, especially for festive season, when you'll be showing a little bit more skin, and it just gives you the most amazing glow, especially if you're going out in the evening. And for an added glow, just take a little bit at the top of your cheekbone and you will get this gorgeous, radiant highlight effect. The Cream Luxe Blush in Pink Supreme is the most beautiful shade of pink. It's universally flattering as well. So literally just take a little bit on the back of your finger and just start to blend it upwards, again on top of your cheekbone. Always lift it up so you get that nice lifted look. It sinks nicely into the skin and doesn't feel cakey, and your skin feels really breathable as well. And I always suggest smiling, so you can really see which direction the blush will go when your face starts moving. Last but not least, the MyMascara. I absolutely love this mascara, not only because of its beautiful rose gold packaging, but because it really does define your lashes. It catches every single lash and gives you lots of length and volume. So let's have a look. I would advise you take it right at the bottom of your lashes and literally just wiggle it all the way to the top. There's no massive technique to this, so just keep going until you get the desired lash result. I'm all about more is more, and honestly it instantly just changes the way I look. I look like I'm awake, ready to party, and I feel quite glam as well. The Gift of Beauty Bliss is the perfect gift to give to any beauty lover.